Hey everyone, welcome to the trading floor's 25 days of Tradesmas. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win $1,000.
Hello my friends, Merry Tradesmas to everyone. My name is Alex, aka Alex Jake from Discord. I'm going to present to you today a trade that I took at Wednesday 27th of November. I'm going to explain to all of you my whole thought process and the reasoning behind why I took this trade. I would like to begin telling to all of you that you can see over here my picture of my P&L for today from my Trade of 8 broker. I will begin telling to all of you how my thought process began. As you all know, I build my trading idea every day based on the DR concepts. And as you all know, yesterday it was Tuesday, and every Tuesday we have the reset of the weekly DR range. So when the day began, I saw that price, of course, was inside the weekly DR concept, in the weekly DR range, excuse me. Asia began, we had a bullish confirmation, but until the moment I woke up, I saw that we had Asia had created a false day, and price was pulling back again inside the Asian DR range. At this point, I'm thinking, after I saw this small consolidation zone and that price was in the middle exactly of the Asian DR range, we had also the break from the downside and the pullback again inside. I was waiting to see the momentum either from the upside, either from the downside. But I will be 100% honest with all of you. The probabilities were towards the bearish side. Why? Because, as I previously said, price had broken from the downside, pulled back. So we keep that price has much more probabilities it will go bearish. And of course, with the next candle, as you see by yourself, we had this huge breakout from this small consolidation zone, and we had such a big momentum when London exactly opened. At this point, I went down to the 1 minute. I was 2000% sure that London will continue bearish after I saw this momentum. That's why I preferred, you see, we had our fractal frenzy print over here to the tick, really on side with the momentum that price had at that point. But the second 1 minute candle was really big. That's why I was not interested on taking the next candle. Why? Because I would have to put a really big stop loss. That's why I saw two things over here. I saw the fair value gap that was created when London opened. Also, I saw that if I wanted to participate in the market, I would like to see price at least to pull back so I can get a better price for me to enter. That's why I patiently waited for price to pull back. I had already put my sell limit order at this exact price, 20,966. Never forget, I'm trading futures. This is the chart of the E-mini NQ. Okay, I had put my order And here I was tagged. Really nice rejection also from the fair value gap over here. And at this point, the reality is that the only thing that I can do is patiently wait for my trade to play out. I can't do anything in order to force the trade to play out or not. Let's leave the probabilities play out. We have taken so many Asian DR breakout trades. Let's see if one more will play out. So the next candle, I won't lie to you, I was quite anxious over here. Why? Because I saw this really big bullish candle. Although when it ended, I saw this rejection again from the fractal frenzy EMA. I saw also the rejection from the fair value gap, also the rejection from the Asian DR. I was quite happy because I had some chances that my trade will play out. You see by yourselves, bearish momentum stepped in again. Multiple bearish candles. Okay, we had a little small pullback again. And this huge candle was the candle that kicked in the momentum that I really needed. I also marked this fair value gap. My trade went, this is my 1-to-1 where I always put my trade to break even. Here is my stop loss level. So when I saw this fair value gap and the retest of it, I was even more confident that my trade will play out. I'm risk-free at this point. I don't have any risk on the table, so either I would end with a small profit or I will take full TP. And of course, the trade retested again the fair value gap, really nice, rejected from the 50%, and it perfectly played out. My beloved friends, trust the process, trust the probabilities, trust the data that you have collected, and always leave the probabilities play out. Thank you for watching, my beloved friends. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. To be eligible for the free $1,000 giveaway, you just have to be able to receive a PayPal payment. To enter, like and comment below and come back tomorrow for another video and another chance to enter.